Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to view which apps preventing sleep on Windows 10. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type power cfg /requests. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.